Got the coaxials up there.
Oh, yeah, all right.
Oh, that's cute. It looks like a sleeping cot almost. I know it's a cargo rack, but
Get the navigators.
you're right. We both trying to do the same thing.
50 caliber. Let's change them. I'm sure they're real. I'm pretty sure there's no primers in them.
No primers, no powder.
Yeah. I used to have a bunch. I used to have tons of them, man. We went to a bombing range. My closest was Mexico when I was a kid, man. We picked up 50 caliber and all sorts of crap out there, man. We actually had
I believe that is a firebomb.
Are you serious?
Well, don't let the name fool you. They often call firebombs fire extinguishers. Because when there's a fire, it explodes. And it's full of CO2, and what happens when you take oxygen away from a fire?
See, even in high school, man, I mean, I did reports on all the Pacific War theater. Just all that kind of crap. Crap. I'm like,
Oxygen system, more coaxials,
We run into Lieutenant Cole all the time.
push pulley system.
Yes.
is that the old 101 year old dude?
Calculate that.
Gosh, are you serious?
He comes in all the time. We see him a couple times a year.
He's 101.
Well, he's 102 now.
He's 102 now.
102. This is his last year touring. He runs around like crazy. We can't believe he's standing.
Ryan, did you see this?
He was
Runs
one of the
around,
old.
he glad hands.
He was one of the older ones on the whole crew.
26
Microphone
year old
system.
lieutenant at the time.
Yeah, and everybody else was 19, 20, you know.
20, 22. Yeah. Statistically, he should be one of the first ones today.
Yeah. I'm sorry about that.
Oh, you're cool. I'm just.
Oh man, it's just yeah. Who's in the major, man? I mean, the anniversary and all the crap keeping up. Ah. Oh man, it's.
That's
Remember, what was it?
heated soup plug-in right there.
Was 10?
I've heard about them.
Was it 10 on the crew?
10 on the curve. Yeah.
10 on the crew.
It was very. This is
An
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 APU.
APU? Yeah.
Yeah. Ground crews would work on the